Imagine for a moment, you're gazing up at the stars on a clear night, surrounded by the vastness of the universe. You see twinkling lights that remind you of distant worlds, yet it feels like there's an unseen hand guiding the patterns of those celestial bodies. What if I told you that a group of leading scientists has just uncovered an unknown force influencing everything we know about our universe? If that has piqued your curiosity, stay with us. This isn't just a typical scientific discovery, it's a revelation that challenges the very fabric of what we understand about reality itself. Today, we delve into a groundbreaking moment in science, a moment that blends astrophysics with the profound mysteries of existence itself. As we pull back the curtain on this new force, it will become clear that we're on the brink of redefining not just our knowledge of the cosmos, but our very place within it. So, let's journey together into this enthralling world filled with questions, surprises, and mind-bending insights. To kick things off, for centuries, scientists believed the universe operated strictly under the laws of gravity, electromagnetism, and nuclear forces. Traditional physics, as we know it, categorized these forces into neatly arranged boxes. But what if those boxes were just the tip of the iceberg? Imagine if the universe was whispering secrets, flirting with the idea that it might be governed by an enigmatic force we have yet to fully comprehend. Could this force be something that resonates throughout the cosmic web, subtly orchestrating the behavior of galaxies, stars, and even our very lives? You might be wondering, what drove researchers to this astonishing revelation? The journey started during a routine observation of dark matter and dark energy. These enigmatic components account for about 95% of the universe yet remain elusive, shrouded in mystery. Scientists have been intensely studying their behavior for decades, scrambling to connect the dots. In recent years, however, the more they searched, the more they stumbled upon peculiar anomalies, observations that didn't quite align with established theories. For instance, when researchers analyzed the movement of galaxies, they found discrepancies between the predicted trajectories and actual results. Instead of moving with a simple gravitational pull, galaxies appeared to be influenced by something else, a force that acted as a whispering guide, steering them in unexpected ways. Could it be the remnant echoes of a cosmic past? Or perhaps the influence of an extraterrestrial intelligence? While those ideas may sound far-fetched, they encouraged scientists to look deeper. What came next was nothing short of astonishing. Through calculations and simulations, astrophysicists began to detect patterns that hinted at the existence of an unknown force capable of transcending our existing understanding of physics. As this new force reveals itself, the implications ripple throughout the scientific community. Scientists found themselves captivated, facing a question that lay at the core of human inquiry: what is the fundamental essence of the universe? Recognizing the magnitude of their discovery, evidence of this force began to accumulate. One of the most significant breakthroughs came from the observation of cosmic microwave background radiation, the afterglow of the Big Bang. This radiation holds clues about the conditions of the early universe. When scientists meticulously analyzed the fluctuations and compression of this radiation, they caught a glimpse of a compelling pattern. This pattern hinted that the unknown force wasn't just a quirky anomaly, it seemed to be woven into the very fabric of space-time. Here's something you didn't expect: the implications of this discovery reach far beyond the cosmos. What if this force is also subtly influencing the evolution of life on Earth? What if the connections we experience, love, cooperation, and emotional bonds, are not merely byproducts of biological evolution but manifestations of this cosmic force pulling us towards unity? The intersections between science and philosophy become striking as we contemplate how this could redefine not only our understanding of physics but also our social constructs and human relationships. Now, let's pivot towards some intriguing aspects of our universe's structure. The universe is often visualized as a massive cosmic web, with galaxies forming clusters and filaments. Within this intricate design, something curious emerged. The distribution of galaxies wasn't random, it was surprisingly orderly. How could that be? You might be thinking, What maintains this balance? As researchers delved deeper, they realized the new force was likely at play. Instead of chaos driving the universe, this force appears to be a guiding principle that promotes structure and stability. But what could this force be? Could it be a new type of energy we've yet to discover? Physics has always relied on fundamental forces, but if there's an unknown force, it opens the door to an entirely new set of interactions. What if it could even suggest new dimensions exist beyond our perception, pathways where time and space behave differently? This contemplation thrusts us into uncharted territories of thought, igniting existential questions about our reality. Now, let's connect back to the idea of forces. In preparation for this journey, scientists dug through ancient texts, modern theories, and even mystical philosophies to understand how various cultures have explained the universe's mechanics. This wasn't merely an academic exercise, it was an expansive quest for knowledge. The ancient Greeks spoke of ether, a mysterious substance filling the void of space, while more modern thinkers pondered quantum fields that might suggest interconnectivity at a subatomic level. You might be surprised to learn how these historical paradigms mirror today's scientific explorations. As scientists seek to unify the laws of physics, the newfound force may very well be the bridge that ties together concepts that were once deemed incompatible. Imagine a future where quantum physics and general relativity finally coexist harmoniously, providing a comprehensive understanding of everything from the subatomic to the cosmic. The unknown force could serve as a link between these worlds, breathing life into theories previously considered too esoteric or abstract. As the wheels of thought began to turn, the ongoing research took another unexpected turn. Scientists across the globe began collaborating, sharing different aspects of their findings to build a broader understanding. This collaborative spirit ignited an intellectual renaissance fueled by curiosity. Not only did they seek to identify this force, but they also began questioning what other phenomena it might influence. Could it be behind previously unexplained cosmic events? Take gravitational waves, for example. First predicted by Einstein over a century ago, these ripples in spacetime were finally observed in 2015. However, as researchers further examined the data, strange fluctuations caught their attention. What if these fluctuations were, in fact, the manifestations of the unknown force in action? This line of inquiry became increasingly compelling, raising questions about what we thought we knew about gravity and the foundational pillars of the universe. And here's a thought to ponder: what if every time we peer into the sky or probe deeper into the cosmos, we are not merely students of starlight but participants in a cosmic dance guided by this enigmatic force? Consider how that framing shifts our understanding of humanity's role within the larger scheme of things. Are we observers, or are we active agents connected to an extraordinary web of existence, intertwined with the universe in more profound ways than we could ever imagine? As we explore this tapestry of connections, tantalizing questions emerge. How would the revelation of this force reshape our understanding of time? What about consciousness? Is it merely a neurological function, or could it resonate with cosmic truths illuminated by this newly revealed force? Could consciousness itself be the echo of the universe's influence, an enlightening bridge between the physical and metaphysical realms? With these profound inquiries at hand, scientists and philosophers alike began bridging gaps in their understanding, creating dynamic dialogues that span disciplines. The quest to unravel the mysteries of this unknown force ignited the imagination and prompted mankind to dig deep, questioning humanity's role and responsibility in the grand design of the universe. How should we perceive our existence if we are indeed a part of this celestial order? At this pivotal moment, let's contemplate how discoveries like this will reshape our scientific and philosophical paradigms. What comes next will leave you speechless. As more evidence mounts, scientists are developing a new model of the universe, one that embraces complexity, interdependence, and perhaps, an even greater purpose. What if the very act of understanding and exploring this force leads humanity closer to unity, awareness, and compassion for one another? The interconnected web of existence may not just be a scientific theory, it might be a call to action for us all. But wait, there's more. What if I told you the narrative does not end here? This story is only beginning to unfold, with complexities that beckon further exploration. As researchers dive deeper, each discovery peels away layers, revealing new questions that challenge the limits of human ingenuity. Imagine the array of revelations that lies ahead, an entire realm of knowledge waiting to be explored through the lens of this unknown force. Thus, this journey invites you to stay engaged, to probe the depths of your own curiosity, and, as we continue to unravel this cosmic enigma, to consider your own place in the universe. What truths might we uncover next? And how will our understanding change us? In the next segment, we'll venture further into the astounding possibilities that explore real-life implications originating from this force, from intergalactic phenomena to our everyday lives. The anticipation is building, and I promise you won't want to miss the revelations awaiting us on this exciting journey into the unknown. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this fascinating narrative of cosmic discovery. As we prepare to dive deeper into the astounding possibilities stemming from this newly revealed force, it's essential to consider the practical implications that arise from our scientific discoveries. We often think of the universe as an abstract realm, filled with incomprehensible phenomena far removed from our day-to-day lives. However, the emerging insights related to this unknown force challenge that notion, suggesting that the cosmic and the mundane are infinitely interwoven. First, let's explore the tantalizing idea of energy, the mysterious currency of the universe. If we could unlock the secrets of this unknown force, how might it revolutionize our understanding of energy generation and consumption on Earth? Imagine harnessing a type of cosmic energy that operates seamlessly within the web of forces rather than merely relying on existing resources. This could be the catalyst for a monumental shift towards sustainable living, providing energy that is not just abundant but also cleaner and more efficient. Our current reliance on fossil fuels degrades our planet, but what if we could tap into an energy source that operates on principles shaped by cosmic interconnectivity? Scientists like Nikola Tesla envision free energy systems, and perhaps this unknown force could be a key that unlocks those visions. The interconnectedness of the universe might offer pathways to clean energy solutions. It would fundamentally change how we view our responsibilities to the planet and each other. Now, let's meander into the realm of technology. What if the principles underpinning this force could lead to advancements that stretch the boundaries of human innovation? Consider the potential effects on artificial intelligence and machine learning. If technology is rooted in this newly understood force, we might create AI systems that function not merely as tools but as companions capable of understanding and responding to human emotions and needs in more meaningful ways. Such an evolution could spur advancements in mental health, education, and, crucially, our understanding of consciousness itself. Now, turn your attention to the cosmos, where the exploration of this unknown force could ignite further interest in space travel, our quest to be among the stars. If this force truly operates across the vastness of space, could it mean that we are closer than ever to understanding interstellar travel? Pioneering technologies harnessing cosmic energy might make trips to other star systems feasible, allowing us to engage with distant worlds that were previously thought unreachable. The dream of humanity branching out into the cosmos suddenly feels more tangible, unlocking a future filled with possibilities. Yet, the implications reach far beyond our technological aspirations. Imagine a collaboration between scientists, philosophers, and spiritual leaders exploring the nature of this force. Such dialogues could foster a nuanced interpretation of our existence, emphasizing holistic approaches to understanding our place in the cosmos. What if we began to see ourselves as stewards of the universe, tasked with upholding the interconnectedness that is the foundation of all existence? This could prompt a cultural renaissance where compassion becomes the new currency, guiding our interactions within our communities and with other life forms. The exploration of this mysterious force could lead to a seismic shift in our societal values, pressing us to reconsider what progress truly means. In a world grappling with incessant divisions, the recognition of our cosmic interconnectedness could forge unbreakable ties that foster unity among nations, cultures, and peoples. The future may very well depend on our ability to rise above the trivial distinctions that often pull us apart and to acknowledge our collective journey through the universe, bound by the same fundamental force. Reflecting on this notion of unity naturally leads us to reconsider our understanding of life and consciousness. Scientists have long debated the nature of consciousness and its origins. Is it merely a byproduct of neural activity, or does it stem from something far grander, perhaps intertwined with the force steering our universe? This perspective invites an intriguing examination of consciousness as a cosmic phenomenon, an echo of the greater forces at play. Imagine the implications for mental well-being if this perspective takes root in psychology and neuroscience. A deeper understanding of consciousness as interconnected with our universe might lead to new therapeutic approaches. They could provide people with insights that foster emotional resiliency, enhancing individual and collective wellness. As we collectively peel back the layers of understanding, we could transcend the barriers that often isolate us, working toward healing personal and collective trauma as we recognize our role in the grand design. At the nexus of science and spirituality lies the question: can our understanding of this cosmic force lead to a new form of consciousness itself? As people begin to grasp the broader significance of interconnectedness, how might that alter our perception of reality? Some scientists and philosophers suggest that the evolution of our consciousness could lead to profound leaps in human potential, where creativity, intuition, and empathy are heightened in every person. Such transformative changes would not solely contribute to individual well-being, they could also fuel innovations in art, science, and community-driven initiatives that support fairness and equity. Indeed, the societal repercussions of this discovery could usher in a new age where education places as much emphasis on emotional and social intelligence as it does on academics. As we uncover the essence of this unknown force, we might teach future generations the importance of interconnectedness, fostering collaboration and social cohesion. Education could be revived as a holistic endeavor steeped in understanding, respectfully navigating the wonders of our universe while cultivating the qualities that make us inherently human. Now, let's focus on the theme of environmental stewardship. If our understanding of the universe is influenced by this unknown force, it's vital that we engage with it responsibly. How do we discern what this force reveals about our treatment of the Earth? A consciousness steeped in cosmic awareness will invite deeper respect for our planet, urging us to cultivate sustainable practices that honor the delicate balance of nature. Future generations may view stewardship not as an act of duty, but as a fitting expression of unity with the universe itself, where taking care of our environment becomes synonymous with taking care of ourselves. Drawing upon ancient philosophies that resonate with the concept of cosmic interconnectedness, we might find wisdom that encourages healing of wounds that have long plagued our planet, both ecological and social. By embracing this collective responsibility, filled with empathy and compassion, we can begin moving away from exploitative practices toward a world where abundance and respect are ingrained in how we coexist on Earth. But, as we continue on this journey of discovery, we must also approach these lines of inquiry with humility and recognition of our limitations. This narrative stretches infinitely and remains rooted in fundamental human curiosity. What if the unknown force introduces layers we have yet to perceive? We stand at the precipice of a deeper understanding, inviting us to revel in the uncertainties that remain. As we embark on this cosmic exploration, we're reminded to remain open to new possibilities and perspectives that challenge our expectations. The horizon of discovery is ever expanding, and each step forward presents a tapestry woven with questions, insights, and awe. We've barely scratched the surface of this force's full implications, yet what we know so far compels us to engage not only intellectually but also emotionally and spiritually. It encourages us to journey forward, prepared to explore the unknown with an open heart and a curious mind. As we approach the conclusion of our exploration, we find ourselves uniquely positioned to ponder profound questions that could reshape our approach to existence itself. Might this unknown force awaken a collective consciousness, allowing us to transcend the boundaries of fear, division, and misunderstanding? How will this newfound perspective shift our role within humanity and the ecosystems we inhabit? Let us carry the spark of inquiry into the future, standing together on this cosmic canvas as both participants and explorers of existence. Our journey into the fabric of the universe reminds us that we are not merely observers but active participants in a grand narrative, one that celebrates our entanglement within a majestic cosmic order. As we prepare to close this chapter, remember, this story is not an end, but an invitation. It beckons us to remain engaged, to embrace curiosity, and to nurture the spark of unity that binds each of us. Together, let us embrace the possibilities that lie ahead, knowing that as we continue to investigate the mysteries surrounding this unknown force, we also discover and rediscover our own shared humanity. So, as we stand poised at this intersection of science, philosophy, and human experience, let's carry forth the collective hope that our journey unfolds in ways we have yet to imagine. The universe is calling us to explore, to question, and to unify. Answer that call. After all, the next big revelation might just be waiting for you.